Hello, my lovely students. I hope you are fine today and every day. Today, we are going to continue with distance learning. Every day, we are going to learn something new. Our lesson today is Language in Use, workbook page 53. Now, I want you to open your workbook at page 53 to do the exercises together. Outcomes for today is to use WH questions with their answers and to do workbook exercises, page 53. We are going to talk about WH questions as a family. The first member in this family, in WH question family, is who. The question who. We use the question who to ask about a person. For example, who is that boy? Who is that boy? The answer is, that's my brother Tom. This is the first one, the first member of WH questions family. The question who. Who? We use it to ask about a person. We use it to talk about a person. Who is that boy? Here we asked about the boy. The boy is a person. That's my brother Tom. And the answer is a person also. Let's talk about the second member of this family. In family, we have mom, dad, sisters, brothers, aunts, and uncles. So here, the second one, we have the member what? The question what? Let's talk about the question what. We use the question what to ask about a thing or an action. Let's talk about what when we ask about a thing. What's the weather like? Here we asked about the weather. The weather here is a thing. It's not a person. It's not a place. It's a thing. What's the weather like? The answer is it's sunny. It's sunny. Don't forget, sunny here is an adjective. We talked about nouns and adjectives before. Here, we want to talk about the weather. The weather is sunny. We described the weather as it's sunny. Again, what's the weather like? It's sunny. Here we asked about a thing. But now we are going to take it as an action. The second question, what is she doing? The answer is she's playing. Here, this is an action. What is she doing? The answer is she is playing. Remember, present continuous, we used here she, then is, then the verb with ing, playing. She is playing. Here, it's an action because the girl is playing. Talk about member number 3. Member number 3 is when. The question when. We use the question when to ask about a time. Look at the picture. Here we have a clock and we have sun and we have moon. These pictures mean that it's a time. We have an example here. When is the party? When is the party? They are asking about the time of the party. It's on Friday at 2 o'clock. Look at the answer here. The answer also, it has a time. It's on Friday at 2 o'clock. The question here is where. We use the question where to ask about a place. Okay, my students? Where we use it to ask about a place. From the picture here, we have a house. A house, it means a place. It's not a time, it's not a person, it's a place. Where is your friend? When we ask, where is your friend? It means you have to tell us about the place of your friend. The answer is, he is in the garden. Look at the word garden here. The word garden here, it means that it's a place. We have another question here, but it's a little bit different. It doesn't start with WH. The question is how many? Let's see when we use how many. Look at the picture. We have here bears, and the bears, there are numbers on them 1, 2, and 3. The question is how many bears are there? Here we used the question how many to ask about number. Again, how many? We use it to ask about number. For example, if we have apples in the plate and we have to count them. So if I will ask you, how many apples are there? So you have to count the apples in the plate and tell me how many apples are there. So the answer is a number. How many bears are there? Here in this picture, how many bears are there? The answer is there are 3 bears. Look at the picture. How many bears are there? There are 3 bears. I hope you understood WH questions very well. Now, my dear students, we are going to start from exercise number 1 from your workbook. Look at the pictures and read the questions. Write one word answers. There's one example. Can you see the picture here in exercise number 1? We have a picture and we have to talk about this picture. So, we have the first question here. It's an example. What is the boy wearing? Can you see the picture? Can you see the boy? What is the boy wearing? He's wearing a shirt and trousers. So let's start from number 1. Number 1. Where is the boy? Where is the boy? Here we use the question where. Where here we use it to ask about a place. Don't forget, when we see the question where, we have to answer with a place. Where is the boy? Is he in the house? Is he in the street? So please think about it and try to answer alone. Number 2. What is he playing with? Here they use the question what to ask about a thing. A thing. He is playing with a thing. What is this thing? Number 3. What's the weather like? Here also they used the question what. What's the weather like? Look at the weather in the picture. Is it sunny? Is it snowy? Is it rainy? Here, don't forget, we have is. And after is, we have to use the adjective, not the noun. For example, if the weather is snowy, we should not say snow because snow is a noun. We have to say snowy, snow, snowy. So we have in the picture, we have rain. What should we say? It's number 4. How many children are there? Here we use the question how many. Don't forget, we use the question how many to ask about a number. Here we want to know the number of the children. How many children are there? Okay, let's go to the question number 2. Look, read, and complete. Here we have a big picture and we have a box. In this box we have words. Let's read the words together. Grandma, hat, wearing, doing, look, reading. Number 1. What are you doing? When I ask, what are you doing? Here we are asking about an action. I'm looking for my. She's looking for what? Look at the picture again and try to find the girl. The girl here is holding something and there's something is written on it. What's the word? This word is the thing or the person that the girl is looking for. Try to guess. Number 3. What's she? What's she? Here we have the question what and is and she. So here we have to write the verb with ing. Which one from the box is suitable for the space? Okay, I will help you. Here the answer is she's wearing a big space. So when the answer is she's wearing, so the question is what's she wearing? The answer, she's wearing a big what? There's something that we can wear from the box. Look at the word for something we can wear. Can you find it? Okay. She's wearing a big hat. Yes, very good. Now, in number 5, we have a space. Then, she's over there. She's over there. What's the word here? Yes, look. She's over there. Look. We have exclamation mark here. Look, she's over there. Where? What's she doing? Now we can guess. Look at the picture and try to find her grandma. So, her grandma, we are going to search for a woman, an old woman. She's wearing a big hat. Can you find a woman that she's wearing a big hat? Okay, so now, what is she doing? What is she doing? Can you see there is book in her hand? What do you think? What is she doing? Dear my lovely students, I wish that you answered alone, and now when you finish, you can check your answers from here because here we have the model answers. I hope you understood everything just as we are with you. And now I'm not gonna say goodbye, but I'm going to say see you.